we'll be doing a demo of two-part splash paints primer, and you need to mix 4:1 4-part primer, 1-part activator. You mix them all together, and then you want to shoot around 15 to 20 psi and up to 25 psi if desired. You want to make sure to sand down the surface at least 1000 or 2000 at the most. So you want to prime the surface because you want to have the primer to grab onto the surface, of course, and also it will just have a more durable finish in the long run. You want to use 0.4 millimeter needle for the airbrush instead of 0.15 or anything smaller, because it will make the primer dry mid-air, which means that it will have flaky surface, which means you have to do another step of sanding, which you don't want to do before applying the base coat. So this is the comparison photo of the 0.4 millimeter and the 0.15 millimeter, and you can see that 0.15 millimeter sprayed out very flaky, dried midair, but if you use a 0.4 millimeter needle for the airbrush, you'll have no issues whatsoever. So make sure to use 0.4 millimeter or bigger size needle for your airbrush. And thank you guys for watching, and make sure to grab yours today at splash-paints.com.